Come test drive the 2019 Yaris. Whether you're interested in the 5-door or 3-door model, the Yaris offers a sleek design, plenty of interior space, and standard side and side curtain airbags, as well as vehicle stability control. Named 2010 Best Overall Value of the Year by IntelliChoice.com, you simply can't go wrong with a Yaris, and is priced below $20,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, trip computer, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, brake assist. Your new ride is just a phone call away.